For the daily metrics, you will need 1 minute of your time. Write them before bedtime or as part of your evening routine. Write the nighttime observations first thing in the morning. Mind that in the first day or two, the sleep diary may take slightly longer to complete, but once you get a hang of it, you will only require a minute or maybe even less. The first challenge with sleep diary is actually writing. I know you're eager to start with improvements, and by now you're most likely wondering, why are we taking so much time with this preparation phase? I understand, but on your journey of self-improvement, the sleep diary will be your only reference point to everything you will do. I just want to make sure that you stay consistent, because without it, you may try some methods, and if they will not work in the first try, you may quit the method or even the entire endeavor, since you will not be reinforced for your efforts. This is a common behavior, but keep in mind that such logic won't help you with sleep or insomnia either. So to avoid this, we need observing the results and making improvements along the way. Coaches do this for athletes, supervisors do this at work, and since I'm not there in your bedroom, you need to do this on your own. The second challenge is consistency. This means writing the sleep diary every day. Do not plan to wait a few days and then write entries, for example, for half a week. You will forget what was happening, you will simplify the entries or neglect to write some important observations completely. Treat sleep diary as any other database where the simple rule always holds true. Garbage in, garbage out. The quality of the input reflects the quality of the possible findings. I know this is a big investment I'm asking of you, but know that this regular requirement is only meant for a limited amount of time. On average, we're talking 3 plus minus 1 weeks of investment. Know that severity and duration of the problem, along with your consistency of making personal improvements and your lifestyle, influence the length of the program. Again, this is not a sprint, and we're trying to improve your sleep and teach you so that you will never have such sleep problems again. So a few extra days of investment here may get you years or even decades of better sleep. In my opinion, that's quite a worthy investment of your time. So how long do you write it? Either until you have reached your personal goals with this course, so see your notes in the action point, my goals with this course, or until you have reached a 95% sleep efficiency. A few more guidelines. The tool is for you. Write sincere data and insights. No one will ever see the entries unless you will decide to show them. Second thing is be prepared for and observant for self-insights. Do not just write the entries, but take a few seconds for a self-reflection. If you get a feeling or internal sensation that something could be influencing your sleep, make sure to investigate it. Keep the sleep diary somewhere where you will always see it when needed. Either the nightstand, kitchen table, location where you place your clothes, and similar. Somewhere where you are bound to see it in the evening and in the morning. And the final guideline, before proceeding to the next lesson, decide at what parts of the day you will do the entries. Before or after brushing the teeth, after you change your clothes, after shower. Consider what you do daily and then place the sleep diary next to that activity in time and in place. Do that now. If you do not yet know with which activity you will combine it with, pause the recording and decide that now. Do not continue with a course until you have figured this out. This is important because if you do not define it, you will forget it and you won't do it.